In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Patreon tier prices. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Patreon. This makes sure you land on the most up-to-date login page and avoids any cached or outdated links. When the results appear, click the official Patreon link. Double-check that the address bar shows the correct site and a secure connection, so you know you're in the right place. Next, log into your creator account. If you have extra security set up, you may be asked to verify your sign-in. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the membership section in the navigation. This is where your tiers, their benefits, and pricing live, and it's the control center for any changes you want to make. Here, you'll see your existing membership tiers. Pick the specific tier you want to adjust and click Edit on that tier. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the right one by checking the tier name and benefits, especially if you have several with similar titles. Inside the tier editor, select Edit Price. This is the dedicated control for changing the cost of that tier. Be mindful that pricing can influence how your audience perceives the value, so it's a good idea to align the price with the benefits you're offering. Enter the new price, then choose who this change applies to. You can apply it only to new members or to all members. Applying the price to new members keeps your current supporters at their existing rate, which can be helpful if you want to introduce higher pricing gradually. Applying it to all members updates the price for everyone, including existing patrons, which is more immediate but can impact your current backers. Consider how you're communicating the change and why it's happening, and be sure the new price reflects the value of the tier. When you're confident with the amount and the audience you've chosen, click Confirm Update. Patreon may show a summary of your selection, so use this moment to double-check the details before you proceed. Finally, click Apply New Price to make the change live. Once applied, the new price will take effect based on the option you selected. If you chose new members only, current patrons keep their existing rate. If you chose all members, their price will update accordingly. After applying, you should see the new amount reflected on the tier in your membership area. That's all you need to change your Patreon tier prices confidently and clearly. And